Just a quick video to show you guys a couple of the shunts that I've installed in the X13. I've got a Bluetooth Victron 500 amp and I've got a Renogy 500 amp shunt that connects back into the brains, or the switchboard I should say. Victron Bluetooth doesn't have a display. I need a mobile phone connected to Bluetooth for that to work. I'll try and show you some screenshots in this video in a moment. But alternatively, the Renogy is the other one that I use most of the time. This one here shows all the same goodies: ins, outs, current status, total capacity, current wattage, and the likes. That's completely taken place of the useless voltmeter that comes standard. When you switch to lithium, they become completely redundant. The graphs do show history over time. So with the Bluetooth shunt, you will see things like state of charge over time, amps in, amps out, or even battery voltage over a period of time. I find it quite useful, especially when I was debugging why while the car wasn't charging the van. I was able to see what fixed the problem. I'd change something, change a fuse, etc. And then as soon as I saw it on that graph, it was good to go.